Welcome to our channel Get Cooking Now.
French beans and potato vegetable recipe, a simple, healthy and flavorful dish. Hi, I'm Laddie and today we'll be sharing a detailed step-by-step recipe for French beans and potato vegetable. This dish is not only flavorful and comforting but also super delicious. With just the right balance of spices, freshness from grated coconut and that home-style touch, it's the kind of vegetable that everyone will enjoy. So let's get cooking now and prepare this delicious French beans and potato vegetable. Step 1. Preparing the French beans. We have taken around 350 grams of French beans. Wash and dry them before cutting. Break and remove the edges of the French beans along with the strings on the side. Cut them into medium-sized pieces the way I have shown. Similarly, cut the remaining French beans. Our French beans are ready. Step 2. Preparing the potato. We have taken one medium-sized potato weighing around 200 grams. Wash, clean and peel the skin. Then take the potato and cut it the way I have shown. We need medium-sized potato cubes. Our potato cubes are ready. Transfer them to a bowl containing water to prevent discoloration. Then keep them aside. Step 3. Preparing the other ingredients. Take 2 medium-sized onions. Cut the onion the way I have shown. We need broader onion slices. Similarly, cut the other onion. Take 2 medium-sized tomatoes. Cut them fine. Take 2 medium-sized green chilies. Cut them into 2 and then slit them. Take 8 medium-sized cloves of garlic. Cut them very fine. Take quarter cup of finely cut coriander or cilantro leaves for garnishing. Half cup of freshly grated coconut. Take 1 teaspoon of cumin or jeera seeds. Half teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder. Half teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Half teaspoon of cumin or jeera powder. Half teaspoon of garam masala powder. 2 pinches of asafoetida or hing powder. 1 teaspoon of salt. Step 4. Preparing the French beans and potato vegetable. On medium heat, in an open, thick-bottom pan, add 3 tablespoons of coconut oil or any other regular cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the cumin or jeera seeds. As soon as the seeds start spluttering, add the asafoetida or hing powder. After around a minute, add the garlic pieces and stir. Then after a minute, add the sliced onions. Stir everything nicely. Stir frequently to prevent burning or sticking to the pan. Once the onions turn translucent, add the slit green chilies and stir. Now add the potato cubes after discarding the water. Stir fry the potato cubes for around 3 to 4 minutes. Take 1 teaspoon of salt and add half of the salt now and keep the remaining to add later. Stir everything properly. For further details regarding this or any of our other recipes, always refer to the description box for accurate and updated information. After around 3 to 4 minutes, add the coriander powder. Add the cumin or jeera powder. Add the Kashmiri red chili powder. Add the turmeric or haldi powder. Stir everything nicely. Now add the tomatoes. Stir everything nicely. Add 4 tablespoons of water. This will prevent the spices from burning and it will also help to soften the tomatoes. Stir everything nicely and cook for around 2 minutes. Now add the French beans.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Add the remaining half teaspoon of salt. Stir everything properly. Add little water if required to prevent the ingredients from sticking to the pan. We added 2 tablespoons of water. Stir everything nicely. Cover and cook for around 10 minutes. Check frequently and add little water if required to prevent the ingredients from sticking to the pan. We added around 2 tablespoons of water. Do not add all the water at one time in the beginning. We need to add little water whenever it is required. Check for salt and add if required. We added around 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Add the garam masala powder now. Mix everything nicely. After 10 minutes, check if the potatoes and French beans are cooked. Once cooked, add the freshly grated coconut. Stir everything properly. Now add the finely cut coriander or cilantro leaves. Mix everything nicely. Delicious French beans and potato vegetable is ready. You can serve this vegetable hot with rice and curry or bread, chapati or roti. If you like this recipe, do share it with your friends and family members and help us spread the love for Goan cuisine around the world. So until next time, stay healthy and stay blessed.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.